3 to 5b. Problem solving strategy. A follow-up of lesson 3 to 5. What you will learn: solve problems by choosing an appropriate method of computation. Choose the method of computation. I heard your family drove to North Carolina for a vacation. About how far did you travel? We drove 356.2 miles the first day, 304.8 miles the second day, and 283.1 miles the third day. Then we drove the same road back home. Let's estimate to figure it out. Analyze the strategy. 1. Explain when you would use estimation as the method of computation. 2. Describe how to mentally find the product of 540 and 3. 3. Write a problem in which you would use a calculator as the method of computation. Explain. Apply the strategy. Choose the best method of computation to solve each problem. Explain why you chose your method. 4. Trace. It costs $283 to plant an acre of tree in a national forest. About how much will it cost? Is plant 640 acres. 5. Measurement. How many seconds are in 1 week? 6. School. As a 10 teacher donate $25 to the school scholarship fund. How much money was donated in all? 7. Music. Ruben's mother gave him $20 to buy new strings for his guitar. If the string costs $50.35, how much change will he receive? Mixed problem solving. Solve use any strategy. 8. Geography. The area of Rhode Island is 1.212 square miles. The area of Alaska is 591.004 square mile. About how many times larger is Alaska than Rhode Island? 9. Pattern. How many triangles are in the bottom row of the 50 figure of this pattern? 10. Money. You have $100.75 in your checking account. You write check for $21.78, $43.07.08. What is your new balance? 11. Baseball cards. Jamal has 45 baseball cards. He is collecting 5 more cards each month. Alicia has 30 baseball cards and she is collecting 10 more each month. How many months will it be before Alicia has more cards than Jamal? 12. Measurement. If there are 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup, 2 cups in 1 pint, 2 pints in 1 quart, and 4 quarts in 1 gallon. How many fluid ounces in are 1 gallon? 13. Jane lunch cost $3.64. She gave the cashier a $10 bill. How much change should Jane receive? 6. School. 14. Hurricanes. Refer to the table below. Hurricanes can be classified according to their wind speed. What is the average of the minimum and maximum speed for a Category 4 hurricane? 15. Food. Is $7 enough money to buy a loaf of bread for 1.980, 1 pound and cheese for $2.29, and 1 pound of luncheon meat for $3.29? Explain. Standard test practice. Alita, Alisa, and Alano are sharing the cost of their mother's birthday gift, which costs $147. About how much will each child need to contribute? Chapter 3. Study, quiz, and review. Vocabulary and concept check. State whether each sentence is true or false. If false, replace the underlined word or number to make a true sentence. 1. The number 0.07 is greater than 0.071. 2. When rounding this decimal, the digit in the place being rounded should be rounded up if the digit is to its right side. 3. In 1643.082, the digit 2 names the number 200. 4. 612,000 written as a decimal is 0.621. 5. Decimal that name the same number are called equivalent decimal. Lesson B. Lesson, exercise, and examples. 3.1. Representing decimal. Write each decimal in standard form and in expanded form. 6. 1300, 7. 6 and 15, 8, 83 and 5,000. 9. Gardening a giant pumpkin weighed 53 and 175,000 pounds. Write this weight in standard form. Example 1. Write 21.62 in word form. 21.62 is 21 and 6200. Example 2. Write 346,000 in standard form and expanded form. Standard form 0.346. Expanded form 3 times 0.1 plus 4 times 0.01 plus 6 times 0.001. 3. 2. Comparing and ordering decimal. Use greatest than or less than to compare each pair of decimal. Example 3. Use less than or greatest than to compare 4.153 and 4.159. Sign 3 less than 9, so 4.153 less than 4.159. 3 to 3. Rounding decimal. Round each decimal to the indicated place value position. 14. 5.031 hundredths. 15. 0.00042 10,000. 16. Food cost, a box of cereal costs $0.216 per ounce. Round this price to the nearest cent. 3 to 4. Estimating sum and difference. Estimating using rounding. Estimating using front-end estimation. Estimate using clustering. 3 for 5. Adding and subtracting decimal. Add or subtract. Travel Mr. Baker drove 11.3 miles to the dentist, 7.5 miles to the library, and 5.8 miles back home. How far did he travel?